Welcome back students. In this video we are going to understand how we can bring the table of content in the document. Before we proceed, it is very important for you to understand that you must have given the heading patterns in the document. What I mean to say, if you have seen my previous video, you need to go to home. In the style patterns you need to give the heading patterns. Let's say this is heading 1 by label, heading 2, heading 3. Similarly, if you have set the heading patterns, then creating the table of content is not a big deal. You need to go to references tab, click on table of content. These are the predefined templates. You may do the selection of any of this and it has been created, you can see. However, there are a few customized options also. I am going for remove table of content, and in order to understand that, you need to click on table of content once again, click on insert table of content, and there you can see these are the tab letter, which I prefer the dot one only. These are the formats like from templates or classic one, or let's say distinctive. Whatever type you are looking for, you can. Tab letter is this one, so that's fine. Now it is very important to understand the show labels. It is showing the labels up till 3. Let's say if you have got the headings label up till 4. For example, if you have got heading 1 as a game, heading 2 is cricket, under that heading 3 is players, under that heading 4 is X player, under that then current player is again going to be heading 4 only, because label wise X player and current player is same. So you have got 4 labels of headings, but it's going to show up till 3 label only because it is 3 selected. However, you can convert this into 4 also. However, click on OK once you have set your patterns and you can see it's coming. Another important aspect, let's say here it's movie of India. I've changed it from the cinema of India. Control S, but here no update. So if you, in order to update table of content, you need to click on update table and click on update entire table. Click on OK. You can see the update has happened. This is how we can bring the table of contents. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.